Hi friends, today we are going to make a cough tablet which is made up of gur and haldi, that is jaggery and turmeric powder. For this we take a small piece of gur and a pinch of haldi. Now mix both of them and make a ball of it, and this is your cough tablet is ready. Friends, when we suffer from cold and cough and when we go for a sleep, cough regularly irritates us and runs more and more. To get rid of this problem, put this tablet in mouth while sleeping, but don't chew. Let the juice form a layer over throat. I'm 100% sure your cough will not disturb you, so try this and share your comments with me.